Ask your neighbor, which church did you come from? Are you at peace with the spiritual father? Look at somebody. Wena dhayo na dukateyo kule waumire. Are you still fighting? Waumire ko uhiuretie gossip. If you are not at peace with the man of God that you are sitting under, you are disinherited. You don't have an inheritance. You cannot be able to receive the favor of God in whatever you are doing. You give a sacrifice that makes you become a son in this altar. But before that, you also give another sacrifice to disconnect yourself from where you are. You must disconnect yourself from where you are so that you can be accepted to the new territory. For those people who have been ever employed, if you are sent to another company or promoted or sent to another town, you carry with yourself a letter that you used to work in a particular station, and now you've been transferred to a particular. Any ambassador sent to Kenya must go to the President of the Republic of Kenya with a letter of appointment from the President of their nation. Then these papers, they present them to the President of the Republic of Kenya for acceptance. Then they will be allowed to operate in Kenya flying a flag of their country.